Hello, in this video uh, I will tell you why I love Builderall. And the answer is a bit strange because if I take it logically, I should not love Builderall. I should maybe like it as a tool, but not love it that much. And it's strange because I like computing, I like internet. In fact, I started to use computers before uh, there was internet, and I started to use internet as soon as I was able to have a connection to internet. And as soon as I started using internet, I started to publish on the internet with tools at my disposal at the time. So it's been over 20 years that I use internet, not only to consume pages, but also to create some pages for fun or for business, for money, for clients. I used to do it. Now, not anymore for a long time. But I've used many tools, many hosting companies and tools. And why I love Builderall so much, and let me tell you why I think that I love Builderall. Why do I realize now that I love Builderall? There is something is I am self learner, self taught. I teach myself. I I never buy training, online trainings. So I know it's bad, and you can say it's bad. We should always train ourselves, read books. So I don't buy online trainings. I never buy books about anything. I think it's been more than 10 years about a book. I have no Kindle. Voilà. So you can say it's bad, but that's the way it is. But I look on internet. I look for information. I, I teach myself what I need to know. But for Builderall, I bought $1,500 training, but it's not so much about the price. It's about what means the trainings. I am out of work, out of jobs, of boss and clients for over 15 years. I have not had contact with other people for business. Only I got money from internet, from affiliate marketing, or from advertisement, etc. So uh, the commitment of this online training that I bought for Builderall, it's the official certification of Builderall. It's not the price, it's about the commitment. It's 5 days a week. Each day is 2 hours of live training. Live, so it means I need to be there at this time. Okay. Of course, there are replays, but I want to be at this time on live, so I can participate in the class, ask questions if I need to, or just to be here. But because I don't want to be in front of a 2 hours video watching, every day. No, that's why the live is important. And so it's 5 days a week for 3 months, and I paid to put myself into this situation. So why? It's incredible for me because I have other tools. I don't need Builderall to publish on the internet um, or to make money. So it's not only about that. I think it's about the people side of Builderall. It's my it's what I think now because I try to think, to analyze, and if if I look at what this thing, maybe you know about it, is a Maslow hierarchy of needs for humans, for how humans are motivated, and it is not really a pyramid. It looks like a pyramid, but in fact, it doesn't mean that to have this need, uh, you need to have fulfilled this one. Or same with self-actualization. Doesn't mean that to get there you need to have all this field at 100% and all this, all this. No, it means only that first you need some of this to be fulfilled, but maybe 25%, 50% of all those needs, once they are fulfilled, then your brain can think about this need a little bit, you know, and as you grow, as you fulfill this need, then this need becomes more important. You know, we have never enough of anything, and that's the way it works. More like progress bars, you know. And when it's at 10%, 20%, then this one starts to grow, and then this one, but very small need at first. But once you fulfill the most of them, then you have only this one left, and I don't know what happened to those who have self-actualization and then they have no more need, no more motivation, just to die. I don't know what happens, you know, because it's a long time. Maybe some people will uh, never fulfill any of the top needs. You know, they don't need to. It's not. You don't need this to live a life. Doesn't matter. You know, it's not about oh you should do that. No, it's just a way to present what motivates people. What Yes, what motivates people. So, you know, like me, why I am motivated to buy a 3 months course on a software that I didn't know about 3 months ago. What the fuck is going on? Why is it like happening to me? You know, why me? I am not into any MLM. I don't believe in God, so I'm not into uh, even with people relationship. I don't have a boss. I don't have customers. I don't have partners. I work by myself. So why? I mean, I don't need to have people surrounding me to be happy. I am okay alone. You know, otherwise I would be in many clubs or whatever. I'm not. So it's not about. I don't know. I don't know what is happening, but I think it has to do with this. And why it happens with Builderall and not with another tool? If I need uh, uh, love, belonging, esteem, self-actualization, safety, psychological, why didn't it happen before with my other affiliate program and my other tools? Because those are just tools. Builderall is a platform of tools, but in fact, it's really because of the way it is, and it's not just fake. In fact, it's not made. Look, you know, for software such as ClickFunnels, I don't know what are the competitor of Builderall. Maybe Wix. You know, the one who makes a lot of ads on YouTube, on TV. So Wix, ClickFunnels. Mm, you know, you have to tell me which other platforms are the same. But do they have like when you look at the Builderall team, do they have okay funny pictures? Maybe when you put the mouse over, then you have funny pictures. But do they have so many people? Okay, you can see people here. Yes. You know, so it's a big team. You say, okay, okay, okay. Each one has a funny picture. Okay, they are not very serious, but okay, there are people. But those are only people presented on the team Builderall team page. Okay, but it's not the really the important things. This is the CEO Eric Salgado. Okay, but it's not important. It's about the other, the ones like me, or could be like me, the one who are just have an account on Builderall and make some sales as affiliates, like me, like what I used to do, and I do affiliate marketing, or maybe they just use the tool and they love it, and I see those people a lot because Builderall has many Facebook groups. So it has one for support, one for English, I don't know what it means, and one for business owners. It means the $50 plan, the business builder. So one for this, one for people in the certification program, like I'm following. So there is a group for this, and there must be other group for other kinds of leaders. And in each of those groups, they have webinars made on Zoom. And so when you watch the webinars, you see people who are not employed by Builderall. They are people from all over the world. Not all over, not all countries, but many countries. They speak with an accent. Like me, for me, I'm French, but there are other French I can see on webinars talking with the same accent as me. But even the CEO is Brazilian, and he speaks with an accent. Okay, he's not perfect, and so the CEO is not perfect. The people in the webinars, they are not perfect people. The website, the tool is not perfect. I can see that it's not perfect. There are many things to improve. So nothing is perfect. It's just like people in real. And I mean, I see those people, okay, in webinars and so in Facebook groups, and I can identify with some of them. And the more I see them, and the more I know about them, even without wanting to know anything, I start to know more about their what they like or what they do, what they are. When I look at, for instance, because in this team now, some people who have been affiliate at first, now they have become employed by Builderall. Means Builderall pays them to provide some service. So they are kind of employed, even if they are still working from home like before, but they receive direct money for some service. For instance, Peter Brooks, he's an affiliate, he's just happy about Builderall, and apparently he's on the team, so he must be doing something for them now. And this woman, Shelly Turner, in fact, she's making all the tutorials now, and she's even the one training in the certification program. But 1 year ago, she was a student in certification program. She was one of the participants, and she's an affiliate, and she loves Builderall. She did videos about training, so now she's paid to create tutorial videos to be included in the Builderall interface. So now she kind of works for Builderall, even if she keeps a job as affiliate, selling and whatever. But and the same for him. Wazili now is paid by Builderall to be director of operation in Europe. So it means just to operate in Europe is better to create a company there. Like Google and all, they have a company in Europe. I don't know why. Maybe it's easier for money. I don't know. But he was just affiliate. He's just affiliate. But he says, okay, I will create the company. Maybe he knows about creating companies. And now, so he works for Builderall. So you see, it's some people, of course, it's just a few, but some people are just normal people, affiliate, using the tool and doing things, and then they can upgrade their status. I mean, be on this page, be on the team Builderall, and this one too, Chad Bartlett, marketing director, but he's 21 years old, and 2 years ago he started. 2 years ago he was 19, so he started in internet marketing, and then I don't know how many months after, then he started with Builderall, but Builderall was just one tool amongst others. But apparently, the same thing happened to him than to me. So he became interested into Builderall. Don't know for what reason also, and he became a top affiliate, selling a lot of Builderall accounts. So he must know something about how to sell it to other people. And then he had been asked to be a marketing director of the company just a few months ago. So you see, it's just that it's a people, it's not professional like Google or even ClickFunnels. You see Russell Brunson, he knows everything. He's a top marketer, American, everything perfect. The tool is great, looks template, look everything is wonderful. But what do you feel? Yes, as a tool, yes, it's good, okay. But what do you feel as a human about this ClickFunnels? Do you feel like you belong to ClickFunnels, or you can become a part of a community? I don't know if there is a community in ClickFunnels really. It's not the culture of. It's not the same. I think not the same thing is happening, and so I will cut short this video soon. Okay, it will be finished before 20 minutes. But just want to talk about now Builderall and this Maslow hierarchy of needs. With Builderall, with physiological means you need to eat to have some money, basic money, to do basic things like to breathe. So this one, and also safety. So to have a stable environment, to not have anxiety about future crisis too much. Like to have a roof on your head, a roof that that in 1 week maybe you will still have this roof normally. So have a stable environment. There will be no big wars or some security, safety, and physiological. And those needs are filled partially, of course, not perfectly, by Builderall, because of Builderall is a hosting company, and web editing also, and it has other tools that one may need to publish on the internet, to be there, so to live on the internet. Um, Email autoresponder, but Facebook chatbot, whatever, other tools. But the basic one, like hosting, is there. So once you have an account, you have this as a safety. You have a place and you can develop there. And for the physiological, so it means like getting money. Of course, you have a very good thing because it's affiliate program with 100% commission on the first installment, and then recurring commission 30% for life, okay, on what you sell, so as an affiliate. But and now there is another thing, is a second tiers, so a second level of affiliation. It means that people you have affiliated, that you have your leads, your customers. Now, if they sell Builderall, you also get 30% each month for life on whatever they sell. So it creates a possibility of a relationship, human relationship, with this customer of yours, because then you may want to help him to increase their sale, or to know more about the tool, or to help them in any way you can, so that they can also fulfill their needs and make more sales. So it creates a possibility. You don't have to, but you can. And also from the customer side, he has a sponsor, he has you, and he knows that because we know the affiliate program, how it works. He knows that you have an interest in him as a seller. It's a start to develop a relationship. First, to have a common ground, something connection. Then you can develop a relationship if you want on this part. But not only this is to provide for your safety and for your money, for your needs, okay? But then you have the love belonging. It's not only a relationship with your affiliate, but also with the community at large. With all the Facebook groups that you have, all the webinars, you can start to look at the question of people and provide help, support for whatever just as a way to improve yourself in the knowledge of the tool. The tool is just an excuse to have something in common with other people. And so you can start to feel like you belong to a community of people who like the tool, who like internet, who like publishing on the internet and maybe making money, because you have Facebook groups for people who are business builders, owners, uh, Facebook group for just help, support about the tools, and other Facebook groups, official ones. I'm not talking about all the others groups about Builderall that are, we don't know if they are good or not, but I'm talking about the official one managed by the company. So in those already you have at many levels of belonging. Like for instance, me now that I'm following the certification program, then there is another Facebook group open only for those who are following or who have followed before the certification program. So it's another level of community. And if I want, I can participate more, ask questions, ask for help, or give help, and then esteem will come, because if you want and you provide, you feel like you belong, then you will love and be loved. Of course, it's all happening on the internet. It's not real life, but that's like a village, like a town on the internet. Everything is happening on the internet. The money comes from the internet. We are talking about hosting, so real estate on the internet, love belonging in a community, virtual community on the internet. Okay, we know about that. It's not like in real life. Esteem, the same. It's not self-actualization. Of course, at the end of the day, you will be just you in front of your computer. Okay, it's all happening in your head and on the internet. We know that. This is not the question. We don't care about it. Oh, it's not real life. Okay, it's not about that. But then you have esteem. You can start to become known. So when people read your name, they know little more about you, and they will come to you for asking or to anyway. You can like, and self-actualization is when you maybe it's like people like Shelly Turner. Now she feels really good because before she was a teacher, and then she has been out of work as a teacher because of an accident. I think she lost a leg. I don't know how, but now she has a disability, and then I don't know if it's even for that she stopped teaching biology, but now with Bulldog she found another uh, self-actualization. I mean, another thing is to teach again to all the world, to teach something. So something is a builder role, and voila. So she maybe those people, they have of course she has money because she has a lot of sales. She knows how to use the tool. She is known because she has help. So every time now something in this community knows Shelly Turner, that she knows about the role. She's good. She provides help. We know, so we esteem her and herself. She has a good feeling. I think to be like this, and maybe other top affiliate like Liam James K must feel like this because he didn't know anything. Like 1 year ago, he worked day in day out on Builderall, and he set himself challenges, goals, and succeeded for instance, to win the affiliate challenge. So to each his own. Doesn't matter what you like and how you do, but you can work out this hierarchy of needs on the internet, and I think that's why I love Builderall. it's because I've been tricked by this without knowing it, because I like a computer and internet, and I just went into Budoa. I looked, okay, affiliate program is good. It's a software, so I like software about internet. Okay, so I do it. Up, I do other things. I don't know how I end up buying online training for 3 months, 5 days a week. This is crazy. So I say, what is happening to me? Why is it like this? What happened? And I think it's because of this. It's because of the weekly webinars and things like this. Maybe like a sect or MLM. I don't know if the same things must happen in MLM sects, but for me it will not work because I don't believe in God. So I cannot be into sects like with your spirit. Let's For afterlife. I don't believe in this crap at all. So this is not possible. In MLM, it's also not possible because first it depends on the product. If it's product about beauty, about finance, about crypto, I will not be interested. So needs to be about software, about computer, internet. So maybe if there was an MLM and not about online training like life, teaching self-development, and not these kind of things. It's more about the software, internet, computer. So, and the role is not MLM because it's only two level of affiliation. It's not about a team. You don't have to call people if you don't want. You don't have to talk to them at all. It's not like MLM with a team points, ranks. There is nothing like this. Just affiliate marketing with a second level for you if you want. It helps you create the possibility of a relationship between two humans, because everybody who has a Builder account is a human behind the computer. So there is a possibility of connection. And then you have even more with the groups which are provided and maintained by the company, the official group. And then you have also some kind of ranks, because if you follow certification, then after you are a certified partner, you have a page on the website where your profile can be displayed, etc. You have other things if you want. If you feel like you want, maybe I will feel this way. So now that I'm aware, maybe I will be able to maybe calm down. No need to go all in or to maybe think about it, but at least I'm aware why it's happening to me this way. Okay, so I don't know what you think about it. If you have thought about that, if you are in the same situation, like you realize that you love Builder maybe more than you should, because after all, it's just a tool and it's far from perfect. It's a lot imperfect. Like its CEO is not perfect. It's just a Brazilian who came to the US. Now he talks English, but English is not perfect, and many things are not perfect. So why do you love it so much? Why are you investing too much thinking and time into it, maybe? And I think it's because of the people, the people-powered company, because it relies on people, so you can see it, the way it's made. So many, no, not a lot, but more than one Facebook group, and the opportunity to have relationship and to, to work this hierarchy of needs. It's possible. So maybe that's something we are looking for as humans, because this is a hierarchy of needs to explain a theory of human motivation about psychological. So if we are humans, then even if we are not too much into people or whatever, but we are still human with a psychology. And this, as I explained first, this is not about you need to do that, you need to fulfill this, then you fulfill this, and you need to go there. No, it's not this. It's just an explanation. Each individual works differently. For instance, some people don't care about belonging, so maybe it's not important for them, or I mean they can live without it very fine. So it's just theory for explaining the motivation, how it works, um, how it could work, could explain things. So maybe it's this. So if you think about it, and you can give me your opinion if you want in the comments of this video. Bye bye.